Hey, PB gang, what it do, man? Yo, first off, man, do y'all like this angle right here, man? I mean, on my reactions, I'm just trying something a little new, man. Trying to do something a little different, you feel me? Trying a little different angle, you feel me? I'm tired of having it right here where I'm just like this, looking down low. Kind of a different angle for y'all, you feel me? Switch it up a little bit. Y'all let me know if y'all like that angle. Also, number two, I'm gonna let y'all know, I'm sorry if y'all hear like a fan in the background, but I'm telling you, bro, it's like 100 degrees out here right now, and it's early, bro. What time is it? It's 10:06. It's early, bro. 10:06, and it's already hot. 10:06 in the morning, and it's already hot. I'm feeling real good, man. I just gotta shape up. I need to shape up. I'm getting one in a couple days, but I meant to say I just got a good session in. Wash session, I ragged up. You feel me? And now it's time to do this video right here. What's good, PB gang? It's PB the GOAT, aka Rope God.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of weird looking up like that, but I'll get used to it. Anyways, man, this video right here, man, it's gonna be a reaction video, because I ain't did this in a minute, you feel me? And this person right here, man, I've been knowing for a minute. And I feel like this nigga right here, man, got the best 180 waves. Like, I've been following him, of course, you know, we go way back, you know what I'm saying? Like, we didn't chop it up all the time, like every day, but, you know, we talked in DMs and shit, and, you know, we have history together, you feel me? I know who he is, you know who I am, shit like that. Good dude, you feel me? But, yeah, man, this dude right here, his name is Scotty B, you feel me? Call him Scotty B, and people know him in the wave game. You know what I'm saying? He don't have a YouTube channel, none of that shit, but like I said, sometimes, you know, it be the best wavers that don't have YouTube channels, bro. They be spinning like a mug, you feel me? And he decided to go 180, bro, and this was 2 days ago, and I saw that shit, and I said, oh yeah, immediately, oh yeah, I gotta do a video on this guy, I gotta do a review. So that's what this video is about, man, a review on the best 180 waves, and I feel like that's the best 180 waves, man. Y'all see, keep it locked.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.
All right, PB gang. So everybody right now go follow my guy, Real Scotty B _360. Y'all see it right there, Real Scotty B _360. And I'm gonna show y'all right now, man. This is why I said I gotta do this video. Whoa! Hey, all I can say is wow. All I can say is wow. What's the real shit, man? Y'all can't even say that shit ain't popping, bro. Look at this, bro. You don't see no forks. This shit is on swim. It looks like a real ocean. You feel me? He says, not my main barber work, but he did his thing. Hard to find barbers who know how to cut my hair texture with superb blend game. But hey, I like the outcome, so it's all good. Sneak peek, drop. And immediately, I had to drop a like, you know what I'm saying? And immediately, I thought about doing the video. You feel me? This one right here. Because, y'all see it right there, man. Look at this shit, bro. Every wave is connected straight. You know what I'm saying? The fade looks dope as hell. You know what I'm saying? Like, he never really get fades. Like, he's normally like the 360 swirl waver. You know what I'm saying? These right here is like 180s. But his I like it because it's kind of like a drop top fade. It's not like high. You know what I'm saying? It's not like a high fade. It's not like a fade that goes all the way up here. It just comes down. It's a low fade, which is a drop. So that's dope, bro. That shit look hard. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could just see, well, normally it'd be down here. It'd probably be a blended right here. And then it'd be a regular, you know, 360. But being that it's up higher, it's not really 360s no more. It's like 180s. I think. I'm not sure. I think it is. Because it's not that high, so it might still be 360s. Because it's still whipping around. You feel me? But I don't know. Either way, man, that should look hard. So let's go to the next picture. My guy, man, with that. Damn, which one is this one? A Bud Ice and Wendy's on this break. All right, let's see. Let's see. don't think this one gonna know. Ooh. Damn. Bro. Let's watch that. Run that back. Hey, run that back, bro. Run that back. I guess it's a silent video because you can't hear it. Man. God. Hey. Now y'all can't say. Y'all cannot say that this right here, that shit don't look clean, bro. From the blend to the definition, you feel me, to connections, to not having no forks. That shit is clean as fuck. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all how his waves used to look though. That's another one thing in the pool and shit. He said waves don't swim in the pool though. Late night dip. Man. Am I tripping or not? It's not. They must be muted, bro. Cause I'm thinking like, dude, it's a sound to it, but I got my volume up. I can't hear nothing though. Anyways, man, yeah, look at that shit, man. Shit look dope, bro. See the swirl? Everything, that shit hard. Makes me want to get a fade, man. Makes me want to get a fade. What y'all think, man? Should I get a fade? Comment below right now if y'all want me to get a fade, man. I was thinking about actually getting a fade once I scout. Like before I scout, let's get a fade, you feel me? You know, I almost kept my hair off anyways, might as well get something that I really wanted. You feel me? So before I scout, which I don't know exactly when it will be, but when I do decide to do it, I would definitely do the fade. You know what I'm saying? For a while, rock it for about a month, you know what I'm saying? Then scout, you know, so. Y'all know whatever I do, I'll keep y'all informed for sure. Anyway, let's see how that shit used to look. You know what I'm saying? Regularly. Oh, yeah, it's not really. This how shit used to. This is when he done woofing though. When he woofing. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to show you one. See, look. That's how them things regularly look, you feel me? Scotty B, bro. A lot of niggas don't know who these people be, bro, you feel me? But a lot of people do too. It's just YouTubers really don't know. You know, it's a whole nother community. It's a YouTube community and it's a wave community. Unfortunately, I'm in both. You know what I'm saying? He's not really in the YouTube community because he's not a YouTuber. You feel me? But it's all good. So what? That nigga still known. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you another one. I'm gonna go through this. All right, now this one right here. Hold on. Let's watch this. How you the GOAT when I'm in the game? Shots fired. Shots fired, bro. But look at that shit. And I couldn't even. I was like, bro. When I saw that, bro, I didn't even blame him for saying that, man. I couldn't even blame him for saying that. When I saw that, I was like, oh yeah, that definitely pushed me to, you know, move that brush more. You know what I'm saying? Like that definitely pushed me to move that brush more. You feel me? But I didn't think he was talking about me. He was just, you know what I'm saying? He was just hypothetically speaking. You feel me? Hypothetically speaking. It's a hard word to say. But that's what I believe that he was doing, you know what I'm saying? Everybody kept tagging me, you know? I saw it already anyways, because I'm following them, so I watched it down my timeline, you feel me? But niggas is tagging me up in here a lot, you know? Like, he's like, PB, check his waves out, do a reaction video, this would be dope. I follow my supporters, bro, that's what y'all, whatever y'all want, I do it. But I was gonna do it anyways, you know what I'm saying? But then, he put the icing on the cake when he came with the 180 waves, bro, with that fade. I really had to do it. I really put the battery in my back to do this video. I was gonna do it already anyways, though. See? It's another one. But yeah, that's it for Scotty B, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you guys go check out him. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go follow him. Real Scotty B _360. Alright. This video was well due. I had to do it. You feel me? It was definitely well due. You know what I'm saying? Cool guy. You know what I'm saying? I've known him for a minute. You know what I'm saying? We go way back. You feel me? I've known him for like years though, like 4 years type shit. You feel me? Real cool nigga. But with that being said, man, I'm done with the video. What y'all think about his waves? Also, what y'all think about me getting a fade? What y'all want? Should I do it? Should I not? Like, what's happening? Let me know. Comment below. You know what I'm saying? Give me some likes. Let's get some likes right now. We want like 1,000 likes, 2,000 likes. Let's get it, man. Let's. Come on, bro. I mean, damn, I barely even be getting like 600 likes. Like, man, damn. Can I get some more? Can we get more likes? Shit. I mean, y'all don't like it? You don't like it? Anyway, with that being said, man, I love y'all, man. And if you're great, they gonna hate. Yeah. Cut the camera, nigga.